it's time to come back to mastery. If you've experienced being here, the light that shines, the soul, then you'll know that it's possible first to be detached from the body and be aware of my eternal identity as a soul. Then in that detachment, I can be the master of my physical senses. I'm sitting in this chair, and if I get very attached to it, and I say, I want this chair to move with me, I'm stuck here, and the chair is heavy. It's not going to move with me. I'm going to have a very hard time. But yes, I'm here, I'm using it, enjoying it, but I'm not attached to it. And so then I'm free to move, but equally, I can then lift the chair and take it with me if that's my choice. So detachment is a step in being able to take control. Then I can control the chair and put it where I want it. If I'm sitting in it, attached to it, how am I going to lift it? It's not possible. And so if I want to have mastery over my physical senses, my eyes, my ears, my taste, my touch, everything, I need first this process of detachment. And so the experiment that we had of being in silence, going inside, and in that inner awareness of silence, then yes, I can feel I exist even when the body does not exist. This body is very fragile, perishable. A bug may attack it, a virus may attack it. Anything can happen to this. I may have a fall. My organs might fail for some reason or another. But yet, when I'm aware of being the master of my physical body, I keep my mind in equilibrium. So what I hear, I'll first of all filter. Do I want to keep this information or let it one ear and out of the other? Fine. My eyes, what am I seeing? Let me ask myself, is it useful to carry on seeing this? Sometimes we see a picture which isn't quite right, and we know it's not right, but our eyes want to continue to look at that. Or maybe a scene of violence. And the longer I look at that scene, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on video, television, on an advertisement, whatever it may be, but that scene of violence, the longer I see it, the more deeply I absorb it. And I've absorbed violence within myself. And then, of course, my reactions and situations are also going to be the same of violence, because that's what I've taken inside. So every one of my physical senses is vital to my life and well-being. I would not be able to enjoy anything in life if it were not for the physical senses. But yet, I have to come back to the state of mastery.